Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be showing you 5 fun and easy Halloween-themed nail art designs that are perfect for beginners. The best part about these nail designs is that you only need a toothpick to create them. Guys, let us know in the comments below which of these 5 designs is your favorite.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For these designs, you'll want to paint one of your nails orange, one yellow, one bright green, and all of the others white. The first design is bones. Start off by making 2 white dots side by side. Make another set of dots a little bit below the first set and then connect them with a straight line in the middle. You can stop at one bone if you'd like to, or you can add a few more like I'm doing here. The second design is a moon and star. Paint your nail purple, making sure to leave a crescent of yellow at your cuticle. Once the purple's dry, use a toothpick to make a 5-pointed yellow star in the center of your nail. The third design is a bloody handprint. You want to start off by making a red oval on the left-hand side of your nail. Add a short line to it to make the thumb. Next, make a horizontal oval a bit above and to the right of the first one. Add the final oval below that to finish off the palm. Add 4 red lines above the palm for the fingers. Finally, add some dripping blood by gently dragging some red polish down from the palm. Try not to put too much polish on the toothpick so that it comes out streaky. Use a toothpick dipped in purple polish to make a swirl on the green nail. Remember to bounce the toothpick along the nail instead of dragging it so that you don't pull up the base polish. The last design is devil horns. Use a toothpick dipped in red polish to make 2 curved triangles at your cuticle. I think this design would look really cute with either a sheer or a black base as well. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these designs you like the best. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.